Welcome to the Mesa Revenue Partners podcast. We provide valuable information on the topic of business debt collection. Mesa Revenue Partners is an Arizona commercial collections agency and affiliate of Altus Receivables Management, serving companies throughout the United States and abroad. We assist in corporate debt recovery, and we want to help your company streamline its cash flow and restore lost revenue.
In this episode, we'll learn why you should hire a professional business debt collection company in order to recover lost debts in Arizona. Managing a successful business requires extensive time, energy, and focus, along with financial investment. When you are struggling to get customers or accounts to pay up what they owe, the growing mountain of debt and lost revenue can be incredibly overwhelming and stressful to face. If you own a business in Arizona and need professional help gathering the revenue owed for your goods or services, a commercial collections agency has various approaches and strategies when restoring your lost revenue and always strives toward a good resolution without destroying the business relationship. We understand that facing a mountain of debt and dwindling financial success due to customers being difficult about their payments is extremely nerve-wracking. Business owners often avoid seeking the help of a professional Arizona commercial debt collector because they don't want to add to their expenses. But at Mesa Revenue Partners, we are proud to offer quality, thorough debt recovery services at a fraction of the cost you will find anywhere else. Plus, if we fail to collect, you won't owe us a thing. Let us help you in the road to recover your debts with our proven and successful process. If you decide to hire a commercial debt collections agency, there are a few required documents that you need in order to get the process started. The first document is a statement of all charges and signed credit application. It is important to keep a copy of all charges, credit applications, and statements between yourself and your client. These charge statements help Mesa Revenue Partners determine a grand total owed by your client and to begin creating a method for effectively recovering the amount owed. These statements are typically filed away with each client's record, so it should be fairly simple to bring a copy to your Gilbert Commercial Collections agent. Next, we require copies of any contract, purchase order, invoice, or proof. An important piece to any exchange of goods or services is a contract, purchase order, or invoice. Keeping copies of this paperwork is vital to the financial success of your business. Your Arizona Corporate Debt Collection Agency will need a copy of all contracts, orders, and invoices to ensure valid proof that your client sought the goods or services provided by your business and was charged accordingly, but failed to follow through with payment. We also need any correspondence sent to the debtor or received. All texts, emails, voicemails, letters, and other forms of correspondence sent to the debtor or received by your business should be saved as proof. Our agency will keep copies of all correspondence on file as we create an individualized approach for collecting the money owed to you. We will also use the information in the correspondence to help us track down the client and pursue what they owe. Finally, you would need to provide corporate or personal guarantees and security agreements. If you have any signed corporate or personal guarantees or security agreements between yourself and your client, Mesa Revenue Partners will need a copy for your file. These agreements and guarantees are a vital component in your collections case as Mesa Revenue Partners pursues the revenue owed by your clients. Now, you might be wondering, how long does a commercial debt collection process usually take? Every situation is completely unique, with a variety of factors involved as to why a client is being difficult about payment. For this reason, we bring a blank slate approach to each new business who seeks our help, tailoring our method to their specific needs and goals. You can typically expect a commercial debt collection process to last anywhere from 30 to 120 days. But you will need to consider the amount of debt, number of debtors, location of the debtors, and methods required for adequate recovery. Another question we're frequently asked is, how much time has to pass for a debt to become uncollectible? In Arizona, the statute of limitations for sending a debt to a collections company is 6 years after the final payment date. For credit cards or other open accounts, the statute of limitations is 6 years from the first missed payment. It is always best to check with a reputable collections agency or a collections attorney regarding your individual case. You could be thinking, is there a minimum amount of debt required for your commercial collection services? No, there is not. At Mesa Revenue Partners, we are proud to say that no debt is too big or too small. No matter the size of your business, your industry, or amount of debt you are facing, our ultimate goal is to help you achieve financial success through effective recovery and quick turnaround time. We can help streamline your cash flow and fix any problem areas where your business may be unintentionally losing money. Choose a trusted commercial debt collections agency in Arizona. As an experienced Arizona corporate debt collection agency, Mesa Revenue Partners understands that business-to-business collections can be a messy process. Our goal is to take the burden of recovering debt owed to you without shattering the valuable client-to-business relationship so that you can continue to invest in that client without the complication of owed money. Our licensed Arizona business-to-business collections agents have your best interest in mind from start to finish and work diligently to devote full attention and priority to your case. We also perform commercial investigations and background checks. In some cases, clients attempt to hide their assets to make it appear as though they have no means to pay what they owe. The Gilbert Asset Investigation agents at Mesa Revenue Partners are equipped to pursue litigation, asset investigation, and other more direct, aggressive means of corporate debt recovery. We offer account aging analysis to determine where your business may be losing money and provide you with a free online account where you can take advantage of live updates on the status of your collection process. For over 40 years, Mesa Revenue Partners has provided effective, thorough debt collection services to businesses throughout the greater Phoenix Valley. With decades of service under our belt and extensive connections worldwide, we guarantee quick turnaround time and complete restoration of your business cash flow. If we cannot collect your revenue for any reason, you will not owe us a single penny. This makes us the most competitively priced and reasonable invoice collections agents in Arizona. You can rest assured that we will never take advantage of your financial situation, for we are passionate about propelling your business toward financial success through account consolidation, accounts aging analysis, and restored revenue. No matter how cooperative or aggressive an approach your case requires, Mesa Revenue Partners has a solution for you. Don't let a difficult customer tank your business. Reach out to Mesa Revenue Partners today. Call us at 480-389-2288 or visit us online at mrpcollects.com.
Thank you for listening to the Mesa Revenue Partners podcast. Our licensed business-to-business collections agents have your best interest in mind from start to finish and work diligently to devote full attention and priority to your case. We tailor our approach to your needs and provide minute-by-minute updates on the status of your collections to your online account. Schedule a consultation with our corporate debt recovery agency today to learn more about the variety of services we offer and how they can benefit you.